Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, leather-appointed front seat trim, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 13,025 pounds, 5908 kilograms, with dual rear wheels, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, Interior Plus package, Convenience package, rear vision camera and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.